Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Catherine with A Perfect Place to Start, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ideas to make planters out of things that you can find at thrift stores. So let's get started. So these are just some of the pictures that I have picked up in the past at garage sales, and I've used these both as planter ideas. So I just wanted you to see it doesn't have to be like 4th of July. I have a 4th of July or a patriotic theme going here in the video, but it doesn't necessarily have to be that. It can be any picture that you can pick up. So I picked this up for $2.99 at the Goodwill, and all I'm going to do is put in some floral foam that I got at the Dollar Tree, and then I'm using Greenery that is from Walmart and the Dollar Tree, and then I'm using some baby's breath from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to start by these with these boxwood stems that I got from Walmart, and I'm not going to clip the boxwood stems off. I'm just going to stick the whole bushel into the floral foam. Now I did not glue the floral foam in because in case I want to change this out, or eventually someday maybe I want to use this as a picture, so I did not glue those in. And I'm going to use, I think I use about 4 of these, and all I'm going to do is stick them in the foam and spread them out. Once I get all the boxwood in, then I'm going to go in with the Dollar Tree Greenery, and I did clip the Dollar Tree Greenery apart, and that's where I go and use it as the filler. So one really easy and inexpensive way to make a fuller arrangement is to buy some more expensive greenery or florals and then use the less expensive ones to kind of add or to give it the fuller look, to give it the little fluffies. So I just go around kind of the bottom with the Dollar Tree Greenery, and now we're ready to add the baby's breath, and this also came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to go in and randomly place it all around the arrangement, and then this project is complete. So today for Thrifted Thursday, I'm collaborating with Jamie from Simple Roots, Simple Living. I absolutely love Jamie. I've known her pretty much since my journey began on YouTube. She is just a really wonderful person, does a lot of really fun DIYs over on her channel, a lot of thrifting. She does do some gardening, some seasonal decor. There's just a lot of fun things going on over there. So make sure you go to her channel, check it out, and see what she came up with for Thrifted Thursday when you finish this video. So for this project, I'm using one of these apple barrel baskets. This was one that actually was in my yard, but I do see these a lot at garage sales, and I'm just sort of upcycling this one. Mine have seen better days for sure. But I'm going to use some flat spray paint, and I'm just going to cover the entire basket with the spray paint. If you missed my front porch makeover, I used some bigger baskets and did the same thing, so I'll list that here in the cards. But after I get it all painted with my white spray paint, I'm going to use some red acrylic craft paint, and I'm going to be painting every other stripe in the basket. So I'm just going to show you here just a little bit of how I'm skipping or how it's going to turn out. I realized when I was painting here though that my brush was a little bit too big, and I did end up getting some red paint into the white. So it's easily fixable. I would just recommend just maybe a little bit smaller brush. So I go ahead and paint one, then I skip one, and I'm going to do that as I go all around the basket. Once I have the stripes done, then I'm going back in with some blue acrylic paint, and I'm going to do the top and the middle stripe of the basket. So because my basket has some like worn and weathered looks to it, I didn't break them off. I just sort of painted them blue and went with the rustic look. If you don't like, the pieces sticking out, you're absolutely welcome to maybe break them off a little bit or clip them so that you don't have any pieces sticking out if you want it to look a little bit nicer. I was okay with the rustic look, I guess. So I just went ahead and painted it. So then I'm going to go ahead and go around both of those stripes, like I said, all around the basket. So once you have the blue painted, you could add stars here if you wanted to. I chose not to. I'm just going to go ahead and go over it with some Antique Waverly wax. I do go ahead and show you here in a little bit this basket style two ways. So I show you just the basket, just like this with some plants in it, or I do go ahead and add a sparkly bow from the Dollar Tree. I've had some comments before saying, why don't you make your own bows? And I do make my own bows, but sometimes I enjoy the sparkle and shine, especially during the 4th of July season. It reminds me of fireworks and things like that, and so I like that. But if you wanted to add your own ribbon bow here, you could, or no bow at all. I wanted to show you both ways. But once I'm done with this, then this project is complete. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start, and I love to do seasonal decor, Dollar Tree DIYs, home decor, and thrifted treasure. So if that is something you're into, I would love it if you went down, hit the subscribe button, and became a part of my YouTube family. So this project is super simple. All we're going to do is take a basket, and we're creating a floral arrangement out of the basket. You guys know how much I love baskets. You can find them at any garage sale, any thrift store. You can also get baskets at the Dollar Tree, so they're an inexpensive way to add color and fun to your home without having to spend a lot. So I'm going to go ahead, add this floral foam that came from the Dollar Tree, and I go ahead and cover the entire bottom with it. I then go ahead and add another a longer piece on top of this long piece to give it some height. And then I'm going to be using tiger lilies for this arrangement. I bought them at the Dollar Tree and then I wasn't happy with like what I had intended to use them for, and so they've just been sitting in my floral stash, but I decided they were white and it would be fun to go with this basket. So I'm using the tiger lilies and some greenery from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the basket, and then this project is complete. I hope you guys found some inspiration today. Let me know what's something at thrift stores that you absolutely like to buy, or at garage sales. You guys know I love baskets, but I also love to collect those plates that have recipes on them. I'll show you in my Instagram the latest one that I saw at the thrift store. I did resist buying it, but it's been on my mind and I think I might go back today and get it. But let me know what's something that you can't resist to pick up when you see it. Don't forget to check out Jamie's channel and to see what video she created for Thrifted Thursdays. The link is in my description box. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you guys in the next video.